Yes, Yahoo! Harvest time! Morning time! The best harvest in vegetables right now. This is patula. Yan. Yes, Yahoo! Wow! Blazing in this morning. Harvest patula. And many more coming here. And this one, yeah, we have still mini patula around. Yes, Yahoo! We have here another one. And more papaya. Where's the another one? Yes, that one. Yan. So, and many more coming. Many more growing up. That one and the other one. Wow. Yeah. So this is patula, praise patula. And many more on the top there. Wow.